Welcome back. It's my weekly update on my fasting and how that's helping my weight management. It's Wednesday, 25th of September 2013, and it's now 11:30. I was a bit late on my fasting last night. Usually I try to start at have last thing to eat by between 5:30 and 6, but I didn't actually manage that till 7 last night. So it's been fasting for about 16, just over 16 hours. I did a weigh-in. My weight's really at 14 stone, which is what I'd expect at the moment on the fast. I'm getting close to, it's probably a week when I should get the next significant weight drop, and I was hoping to do that last week by trying to do alternate day fasting on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and to say it didn't really work on Friday. I probably ate, I didn't do the reduced calories, and I probably ate more than I should have done on Friday, and I ate one on the weekend. So it seems that I can go from 6 o'clock on Tuesday to 6 o'clock on Thursday morning. I can manage that once a week, but anything else is difficult. So to do that 2 days a week, I might try and push it to the Thursday and finish the fast at, well, this week it has to be 7, so I get the 48 hours. But what I'm finding problems in doing is eating a bit and then not eating for the rest of the day, since I'm capable of not eating for the day. But what I can't do is start to eat and then try and cap that to 500 calories. I'm finding that hard to do. And the other thing that I'm finding, which puzzles me, and comments are always welcome on this sort of thing, is that if I have a good breakfast, my good breakfast is my tend to make, there's a video on that with my porridge, and I have that with, I put in the nuts, the seeds, flax, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and I'm making sure I'm getting my omega 3s and 6s and enough protein, and that comes to trying to cap that to about 600 calories. But I think it's okay to have that as a dish. If I could have that on a one day as my partial or my intermittent fast, that would be good. But what I'm finding, if I eat that in the morning, I'm actually becoming hungrier quicker. So say if I was to eat that at say 8 o'clock in the morning, by midday I'm getting hungry. When today I've been fasting since 7 last night, I'm not feeling hungry. Now I did do some exercise this morning, and I did do some exercise last night. So I'm finding that fasting combined with exercise seems to quash the appetite. Plus I'm used to not fasting on a Wednesday now. I don't know if it's something that I've built up. Maybe I could try and do something on doing the intermittent fast. And one of the solutions I'm thinking of, so that I just get one other day, I think it's good. It's harder to push the 48 hour fast, sorry. I can manage the 36 fairly easily, but after that it just gets troublesome. So I need to do an extra day somehow, and the only way to do that, because I don't particularly want to do the full 36 hours fast again. So my thinking now is the only way I think I can do it is not to have the breakfast, because I thought if I had the breakfast that would help, but it doesn't help. Is to have that breakfast, that particular breakfast, between 12 and 2 in the day that I've decided to do an intermittent fast. Which could be Monday. I don't think I can do Monday and Friday, but it could be Monday or it could be Friday. I'm going to try this Friday, but I'm thinking long term it's probably better to have some sort of intermittent fast just after the weekend, because I would say on the Saturday and the Sunday, particularly the Sunday, I would have had a good day of eating, and so to come back on the Monday with a partial an intermittent fast, I think that's good, because then you're not getting any build-up of glycogen in your system, and hence there's no possibility of storing any fat from any overindulgence of the weekend. The snoring is my dog. Sorry about that. This is just the brightest place in the house to do this, and it just happens to be where he sleeps, so I apologise for his snoring. The only other questions that I still don't really have the answers to, or I'm probably going to do a bit more detailed research for the books that I've read and see what I can find on the internet, is how much protein do you actually need? I did find some interesting papers on that have been produced on various journals, but also by the World Health Organization, which I think I'm going to go into detail just to see how much protein you actually need. And I'm also curious in terms of could the restriction of protein affect weight loss? Now it's a risky area to be because it's consequences of not having enough protein, and I don't know what those are. And I'm just wondering if you were to say, like, okay, say my current weight is 14.5 stone, and had the protein requirement for 14.5 stone. But if I was to change that to be the protein requirements of a 12 stone person, would that actually help me to lose weight? So I think that's an interesting question. And then the other interesting question is, how does blood sugar vary over the day? What are good examples of blood sugar, and what is the optimum level in one's blood sugar, which I'm sure becomes very personal for each individual, to make sure that you're also, because your blood sugar is a certain level, that if keeping it at that level maximizes the amount of fat that you are burning. I think that's an interesting question to ask. Deep sleep, poor dog. Okay, that's my update for now. Thank you very much for watching. Please do leave your comments. I am thinking of extending this to a blog. I'm not sure yet, and so I can get more factual information written down, rather than it just being a reflection on a week-to-week basis of how my fasting is going. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.